Hello, welcome to the Investment Nets once again. Today I want to talk about something very simple and straightforward. It's about how do you invest in the Ghana stock market? How do you invest in the Ghana stock exchange? A number of steps you need to go through. Stay with me and I'll take you through all of them. Number one, you find a broker or a stockbroker. Now, for everyone to be able to invest in a stock exchange or buy shares on a stock exchange, as an individual, we don't have the license to be able to invest in a stock exchange. So we find an institution, or we call them a stockbroker, and then that broker can help you buy the stock or the shares you want to buy on the stock exchange. There's a number of brokers out there that you can use, but be sure that whichever broker you find is a licensed one. How do you find if it's a licensed one? Go to the gse.com.gh. There's a section there called Licensed Dealing Members. When you reach there, there's a list of companies out there. They are the ones that have been licensed by the Security and Exchange Commission. Scroll through the list and pick one of them to help you invest in the stock market. Now, most times, we want people that have mobile apps to make it easy for us to be able to buy the shares. And so for that sake, I'll recommend two that have mobile apps. One, the Black Star app, and two, IC Securities or the IC Wealth app. These two are licensed brokers that you can use, that they also have mobile apps to make it easy for you to be able to buy the shares you're looking for. Number two, once you have decided on the broker to use or the stockbroker to use, select the company you want to buy or the companies whose shares you want to buy. Remember, it's not a broker's job to decide which stock they want to buy for you, but you decide the company you want to buy, and the broker will help you buy the shares in those companies. I hope that makes or gives some clarity to you. So you choose the companies you want to buy the stocks in. Either you want to buy in MTN, in GCB, whichever company you decided, you give the broker the instruction and the broker will go ahead and make the purchase on your behalf based on what you have decided. Remember, the broker will take a commission for making this purchase on your behalf. So that is how you go about acquiring the stock. Once you place the order or you ask the broker to buy the shares for you, the broker will go to the stock market, look for whatever stock you want to buy, and when they finally find what you want to buy, they will buy it for you and then report back to you that the shares have been successfully purchased. And then you will now own that share that you were interested in buying and that you were interested in buying at the beginning. Now, after every purchase, the number three thing you need to know is that after every purchase, the broker will give you a certificate, which we also call the contract note. That is the note that says that you genuinely own that stock. So that note will be either emailed to you or given to you in whatever means the broker deems necessary. And with that information, you state on it the number of shares you have purchased and the amount at which you purchased them, the date and all the transactions that happen on those shares. With that, then you are sure that you have your shares now. So thank you for joining us today. If you need me to make more videos for you on how to make these purchases and the other details that are associated, or how to even choose the stock that you want to choose to buy, do want to leave a comment, and please don't forget, like, share and subscribe so that we can keep doing this. You're welcome to the Investment Nest and see you in the next one.